Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Mercy and Ike show. Ike says he's doing Mercy a favor by charging her 100k for photoshoot. Ex-bbnaija star Ike Onyema shocked fans as he reveals that he's doing his girlfriend Mercy Ike a favor by charging her 100,000 naira for photoshoot. This statement is coming from Ike, who just launched his photography business and made the announcement on their reality TV show What Next with Mercy and Ike. Ike started his first photo shoot session with models who were to help him out in his ice cream business. Mercy Ike was the second official shoot, and it seemed like Ike Onyema is already cashing out. So on the latest edition of the Mercy and Ike show, Mercy decided to go on an official photo shoot to package herself, and her man Ike was the only option she has for the job. The fashion goddess turned up looking dazzling in white pant trouser, white blazer matched with black inner top and pointed shoes. On sighting Mercy, Ike couldn't take his eyes off her as he went further to describe her in an adorable way. In his word, he called Mercy somebody's boss, somebody's wife, and a secretary that a man is about to take home. The new photographer in town gave his girlfriend the best poses he could provide, and it was interesting section. Ike further revealed that Mercy was not seeing the session as strictly business but saw him as a friend or a boyfriend holding the camera. Our lover boy said he just wants to take his pictures and go home because Mercy is behaving as if she would like to talk with him after the session and he does not want any trouble. At the end of his section, Mercy was so excited to see the pictures. Then Ike dropped the bombshell. He said the quality of his job has pleased his babe and she should be happy for getting his services for as low as 100,000 naira. He said charging Mercy 100k for photoshoot is doing her a favor. Now, I don't know how that makes you feel, but how do you manage business and love without having any interferences? Do you think Ike should have said that? Well, I hope Mercy doesn't react negatively to it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. And please, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.